Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce Industry. Dear friends, first of all I would like to thank you for your kind invitation. I am very happy to be here with you, and maybe I apologize a little bit because I didn't start after my coming here with your chamber. I started another chamber from Pakistan. But as I said, I'm very happy to be here with you, and I'm ready to interact with you to see what we can do to increase volume of trade between Romania and Pakistan. These figures that you mentioned, dear Chairman, 300 million, so just for information, many years ago was more between Romania and Pakistan. So it's possible to reach again maybe more this figure, but it depends on a lot of our jobs. Secondly, I would like to thank you so much and congratulate you for this very kind detailed presentation. I visited another chamber of commerce, maybe biggest chamber of Pakistan and another, but I didn't benefit of such presentation, only formal speech during our meeting. So congratulations, and if it's possible to provide for us one copy, maybe next time I will bring with me also this PowerPoint presentation regarding Romania and also bilateral relations between Romania. So, but as you mentioned, you are the longest chamber, and in Romania there is a very nice job that if you do at home, you have one man, sometimes it's good to buy one. Maybe a little bit, I don't know, to inspire another chamber because such presentation is very good. Give us a clear picture about your chamber and a little bit about bilateral relations. So let me first, as you said, to say a few remarks and few words. So I'm here for already 2 years in Pakistan, so I'm in the middle of the road, middle of my tenure as ambassador of Romania to Pakistan, and my biggest target is to try, together with the Pakistani friends, to promote bilateral relations between Romania and Pakistan, mainly in the trade, economic cooperation and culture. Also political dialogue, but from this dimension, so we are working without interruption. But trade and economic cooperation, culture dimension, so seems for me would be a two dimension where we can do together more, because this trade, volume of trade that you mentioned, in my opinion, doesn't reflect the real potential of our national economy. And for your information, between Romania and Pakistan, so far we developed very friendly and traditional cooperation in many fields. Just for your information, we build together this national refinery in Karachi and 2 cement plants, Lasbel and Karbala, just to give example. As I said, we developed very friendly relation, many fields, political, trade and culture, but I will try with you to identify another opportunities to revigorate, increase, also strengthen our you mentioned some fields of cooperation. So I don't know if you selected carefully this field, but in these fields we have a lot of experience. We have a lot of experience regarding the gas and oil. Just for your information, I mentioned we don't in Karachi, but when Romania started to its cooperation abroad for petrol oil cooperation, so in this region Romania built the first its refinery abroad. I don't mention the country, maybe you can guess, but first refinery of Romania 80 years ago. We have a huge and
Mr. Emilian Ion? Ion, sorry.
No.
Then Mr. Travis Luca. We are really honored, sir. You came here. This, no doubt, it is an interaction meeting. And as you said, sir, we are different, our Chamber of Commerce. The reason is that we believe in results. And we love to lead for the business community. You said, sir, I'm really glad to listen this thing that you are our ambassador. As you said, you want to utilize our Chamber of Commerce. We would also love to do something for the bilateral trade increase. You are not happy with the past activities, but I'm pretty sure about it that with our efforts, we will definitely create the difference. And the difference will be better for both the countries. One thing, sir, as our chairman, exports, international trade, Raja Amar Iqbal, told us too many things about the exports from Pakistan, I would like to share with you regarding the imports. The one sector from which I am, that is the wood and wood very much, sir.